When you add media to a Rush project, you can preview your footage and choose just the best part of each clip to put in the sequence. Whether you're importing new footage or adding clips to an existing sequence from your project panel, the preview window lets you refine your edit selections and gives you more control over your content. If you're importing footage from the media browser for a brand new project, you can access the full-size preview window by pressing the preview icon at the bottom right of any clip. You can see this clip has about a 20-second duration. Of course, you can press play to preview the clip, but what's really cool about this panel is it allows you to drag the edges of the clip in the timeline area of the preview window to select start and end points for the clip before you add it to a sequence. You can see that the duration of this clip has been updated. The new duration of this clip is about 6 seconds. The plus button at the bottom right of the image allows you to select this clip for import, and just the selected portion will be added to your sequence. You can press this button again to deselect the clip. From the playback control, you can select the next or previous clip from the media browser and continue to mark segments for each clip you want to import. In addition to dragging to set in and out points, I like to use the keyboard shortcuts I and O. I'll start playback by using the space bar on my keyboard. Then I'll press I and O to set the in and out points for this clip. You can drag the playhead to scrub through a clip and use playback controls to move the playhead forward or backward one frame at a time to increase precision before pressing I or O. I'll move the playhead by one frame and then press O again to update my selected range. Now I'll add this section of the clip to my selection. At the upper right of the full screen preview image, there's a button that takes you back to grid view so you can see which clips are selected in the media browser. Rush arranges clips you've marked and selected at the bottom of the screen like a storyboard, so you can see how the media is going to be assembled in the timeline before you press create. After you've created a sequence inside a Rush project, you can continue to use the preview window to trim additional clips you import from the media browser and to adjust clips that are already living inside your project panel. I'll click the box icon to take a look at this project's assets. There's a section of a clip I'd like to add to my current sequence, but that clip isn't in the project yet, so I'll press the Add Media button. Now I'll expand the preview window from the bottom right of this clip's thumbnail and drag on the clip's in and out points to select the best action. I'll press the plus sign to select this clip for import into the project. Then when I press Add, the selected clip will be imported and placed in the sequence just to the right of the currently selected shot in my timeline. You can also adjust clips that are already living in the project panel. I'll return to the project panel, then press the 3 dots at the bottom of the image thumbnail and choose Open to preview this clip. Notice that even though I trimmed it before importing, the entire duration of the original clip is always available in the project panel. I'll move through this project's assets using the next and previous buttons in the clip preview window and continue to mark durations for all the clips I want to trim. I'll return to grid view and select a couple of these trimmed clips to put in the sequence. Now I'll press the blue Add button and all the trimmed clips that were selected are placed in the timeline. Rush makes it really easy to preview and select the best content for your sequence. Use the preview window to watch your footage and mark the best segments. You can save time by adding several marked clips to a sequence all at once with just one click.